Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the wild world of consumer products. Today, we're diving into a battle of the beasts, the Sony a7 III versus the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. It's like watching a heavyweight boxing match, but instead of punches, we'll be throwing around pixels, prices, and some seriously nerdy specs. Buckle up! Let's kick things off with the elephant in the room, the price. The Sony a7 III is strutting around at a smooth $1,999. Not bad, right? But wait, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is like that fancy restaurant you thought you could afford until you saw the dessert menu, $3,599. Reviewers love that the a7 III offers great value for its professional features, while the R6 Mark II is seen as a luxury option that's great for serious photographers. Looks like the Canon is not just a camera, it's a lifestyle choice. Now let's talk image sensors. The Sony a7 III boasts a 24.2 megapixels back-illuminated full-frame sensor, which is praised for its excellent shadow detail and dynamic range. Reviewers report that it performs exceptionally well in low light, making it a versatile choice. Meanwhile, the Canon R6 Mark II also features a 24.2 megapixels full-frame sensor, but pairs it with the DIGIC-X image processor. Users note that this combination results in stunning image quality, especially for wedding photography where capturing every detail is crucial. Both sensors are great, but if you want your images to look like they were shot by a professional, the Canon might just edge out. Next up, autofocus. The a7 III has a solid 693 phase detection and 425 contrast AF points, which reviewers say is impressive, especially in low light conditions. But the Canon comes in swinging with a whopping 1,053 AF zones. Users rave about its fast autofocus and the ability to capture fast-moving subjects like hummingbirds with ease. The Canon is like a hyperactive child at a birthday party, always ready to capture the moment. How about continuous shooting? The a7 III can shoot up to 10 frames per second, which is great for capturing action shots. Reviewers highlight this feature as ideal for sports and outdoor photography, but the Canon takes it to a whole new level with 12 FPS mechanical and a staggering 40 FPS electronic shutter. This feature is particularly praised for wedding photography, where perfect moments can be easily missed. It's almost like you're filming an action movie every time you click the shutter. Overall, both cameras receive high praise from users, though for different reasons. The Sony a7 III is lauded for its affordability and professional quality, making it a favorite among budget-conscious photographers. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is celebrated for its advanced features and exceptional performance, particularly in fast-paced situations like weddings. Both cameras have their strengths, catering to different types of photographers. So who's the winner? If you're on a budget and want a solid, reliable camera, the Sony a7 III is your best friend. But if you're looking to make a statement and have a few extra bucks to spare, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is ready to roll out the red carpet for you. Remember folks, it's not just about the specs, it's about what fits your needs. Whether you're snapping pics of family gatherings or trying to become the next Instagram star, choose wisely. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more smart buying advice. Until next time, keep buying smart.